In this chaotic world, we are always searching. We search for peace, for clarity, for a deeper sense of meaning. We look everywhere outside of ourselves, hoping to find something that will finally make us feel whole. But what if I told you that the truth you've been seeking, the divine presence you're looking for, isn't out there at all? It's already within you. It breathes with you. It beats with your heart. It's been there all along, waiting to be discovered. Hidden inside every single one of us is an eternal current. It's a current of pure light, of boundless energy, of limitless consciousness. For most of us, this current remains dormant, a quiet hum beneath the noise of our daily lives. But when we learn how to unite our breath, sacred sound, and our awareness, that powerful current awakens. And when it does, everything changes. This is why I'm so excited to introduce you to a truly sacred experience, the Mantra, Breath, and Energy Sadhana course. Think of it as a guided expedition into your own soul. It's a step-by-step journey, carefully designed to awaken the immense power that lies dormant within you and reconnect you to the cosmic source from which all life flows. This isn't just another meditation app or a collection of vague concepts. We're going deep. Through a series of guided meditations, powerful pranayama breathing techniques, and ancient bija mantras, sacred seed, sounds like cream, hreem, and shreem, you will embark on a profound process of transformation. These aren't just sounds, they are vibrational keys. They unlock different aspects of your energy body. With cream, you'll begin to purify your aura, clearing away the dense, heavy energies that hold you back. With hreem, you will learn to balance the restless mind, finding a center of stillness and clarity amidst the chaos. And with shreem, you will activate the very life force energy, the prana, that sustains creation itself. You'll feel it moving through you, revitalizing every cell in your body. We will journey through the chakras, understanding how these energy centers work and how to bring them into perfect alignment. Have you ever stopped to consider what sound really is, or what your breath truly is? Every sound, every single breath, every vibration is energy in motion. It's the universe expressing itself. When you chant a mantra with focused awareness, you are not just making noise. You are consciously tuning your own frequency to the frequency of the universe. You are awakening the cosmos that resides inside you. This course isn't just meditation. It's a form of energy alchemy. It's about transforming your inner state to create a new outer reality. So what exactly will you get when you join this journey? Inside the course, you'll receive a comprehensive library of guided video lessons. I'll be there with you every step of the way, teaching you the precise techniques for mantra chanting, pranayama breathing, and powerful visualizations. You'll also receive a beautiful, downloadable sadhana journal. This is your sacred space to track your progress, your insights, your energy levels, and your spiritual growth. And you won't be alone on this path. You'll gain access to our exclusive members-only community, a safe and supportive space for you to ask questions, share your experiences, and receive spiritual guidance. If you've ever felt that spark within you, that quiet, persistent voice whispering that you are meant for something more, something higher, something deeper, then this is your sign. This is the call you've been waiting for. It's time to answer it. It's time to stop searching outside and start exploring within. Awaken your inner current. Your journey to self-discovery and enlightenment begins today. Join the Mantra Breath and Energy Sadhana course, available exclusively on Sanatan Sansar AI memberships. To begin your transformation, just click the Join button right below this video, or follow the link in the description. Remember, enlightenment isn't something you find, it's something you awaken. I can't wait to see you inside.